Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of ignition coils and we're tracking the old question, cheap versus expensive. What's the difference and which one is right for your car? Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just looking for an upgrade or to make an informed decision, stick around because we're going to be breaking it all down. First things first, what exactly does an ignition coil do? Well, the ignition coil is an essential part for your ignition's system. Its job is to convert the 12-volt power from your car's battery into the high voltage needed to fire the spark plugs. Without it, your car wouldn't start or run efficiently. Now let's talk about the main difference between the cheap and expensive coils. The price difference can be huge. A budget-friendly coil could cost you as little as $20 each, while the high-end performance coil might set you back $80 to $150 each. But is more expensive always better? Let's break that down. When it comes to performance, expensive coils are generally designed to be more efficient. They tend to deliver a higher voltage, which means better combustion, improved throttle response, and in sometimes even better fuel efficiency. High-end coils are usually built with better materials and can handle more extreme temperatures and last longer. But if you're driving a standard daily commuter, do you need that extra performance? Probably not. Cheap coils will get the job done, especially if you're not pushing your car to its limits. Another big factor is durability. Expensive coils are often built to last longer, especially under more demanding conditions. Think high performance driving, towing, or extreme climates. Cheap coils, on the other hand, might not last as long and could fail prematurely, which can lead to misfires or even damage to other parts of your ignition system. So which coil is right for your car? Let's talk about different vehicle types. Daily drivers, if you're just commuting or running errands, cheap coils could be just fine. They're affordable, and while they may not last as long as premium options, they'll get the job done without breaking the bank. Performance vehicles, if you're driving something high performance, think sports cars, turbocharged, more trucks, or even a newer model, then expensive coils might be a better choice. The higher voltage and durability can make a notable difference in both performance and longevity. If you've got an older car, you might be leaning toward a cheaper coil. But be careful, older cars can be more sensitive to part quality. A lower quality coil could cause more issues than it solves. Now let's talk about numbers. A basic low cost ignition coil, like we said, can cost anywhere between $20 to $30. These coils are typically made from cheaper materials and they won't offer much in terms of added performance, but if you're just looking to get something to get you by, they're budget friendly. On the flip side, a premium ignition coil could range, like we mentioned, between $80 to $150 each, depending on the brand and application. These are made with higher grade materials and often better heat resistance and are designed to provide more consistent performance under tough conditions. Cheap coils are great if you're on a budget and don't demand too much from your vehicle, but if you're after performance and plan on keeping your vehicle relying for years to come, it might be worth considering a higher end option. So which option are you going to go with? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.